There is a kural in Tamil which talks about rain. It starts like this: thuppaarkku, thuppaaya, thuppaakki, thuppaarku, thuppaaya, thooum, mazhai. Which means the rain comes as an instrument to the people who don't expect anything from else, and it becomes their weapon to produce their agricultural products. That is the purpose of rain. What I explained with the help of this Quran is that the nature is the real sacrifice. It don't expect anything from others. That unexpected, unconditional sacrifice is the strength and benefit of the nature. I took rain only example as the Quran, but the 5 forms of nature, what is called the space, earth, water, air, and fire. All these 5 elements of nature are offering us our livelihood unconditionally. They don't expect anything from us. That is the real sacrifice. Over to you, Rosmi.
Fantastic.